Okay, so please share your screen.
Okay.
Now you can see there is an option called share. Yeah.
Yeah. It is okay now?
Yeah, fine. Can you uh, can you open Zira? No, yesterday, yeah, you can see take the board three directly. Wait. You can see an options, right? Rows, board three.
Yeah.
You just go back and click on the link directly. Open new tab. Okay, Jira for sign up something. You choose. No. You can type it in the URL part on top.
URL.
Yeah, URL. No. I'm asking on top. We will say URL.
I'm not getting you. Okay, URL. Okay, fine.
Ah, yeah, that is URL part.
Okay.
Okay, if you just type it. Okay, just Jira sign up. Then you can see suggestions. Yeah, below you can see right JAS board something like that.
Yeah.
That is what I'm saying. You just take it that. No, yeah. Just take it in the URL on top. You just type it and select it. Your project names. Type Jira. Wait. You can see JAS board, Rose board, right?
Yes.
Select it correctly. You can take any one of that. Wait. So, do you know how to bookmark this?
Mm.
No, wait. You just go and select the URL part. Just keep the cursor there. Okay. Just click on Control D. Control D.
Control D.
Wait.
Bookmark added.
Wait. There is a folder name, right? Other
Jasper.
bookmarks. Yeah. Just select that. You can find the bookmarks. No.
Done.
Bottom. Yeah. Drop down. Yeah. Bookmark
Bookmark what?
or you can choose the folder name. Third option. Now select the bookmark. First one. Select the first one. Bottom you can see new folder, right?
Yes.
Click on that. You just give the name as a Scrum. Scrum spelling is wrong. SC.
Okay. Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Click on save. Yeah. Close this URL once. And show you. Close it. No. You can close this. No, not there. Yeah. Close
Hmm?
it. Yeah. Now open the new tab. You will find the change. New tab. Okay. You can see a Scrum folder, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on that. Now, likewise, you can see all. You can JS board. Directly click on JS board. Okay. Next time onwards, directly you can go like this.
Okay. Direct dashboard.
Direct boards. Okay. So bottom you can see rose board and smile board, right? There itself in the left hand side.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Likewise, you can switch any board here. You got it, right? You just click it, no problem.
Anyway.
Anyway, you can click it. So likewise, you can see it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, so which project you want to take it?
Means
Which
in
one?
this
Which?
one.
Yeah. See. Yeah. Let's say we'll take this. Okay.
Actually, after Rose and Smile, I just casually added this jazz board.
Okay. 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 Fine. No problem. Let's take the rose bird. Okay. You are already there in the rose
Yes.
bird. Okay. Now you just imagine. Okay. There you got a project. Okay.
Okay.
Who will add the requirements? Who will create
My
these stories?
team or
No, product owner.
okay.
If you remember the day one
Mm.
class, okay,
Yeah.
product owner will create the requirements.
Yes.
Okay, so he
Mm.
will create and he will add it in the Jira. Okay, now
Okay.
we are doing the product owner job
Okay.
just to understand. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
get confused. Just
Mm.
take the backlog, click on backlog. Where is backlog?
I'm able to see
I'll
that.
give you a hint. Wait, I'll give you a hint.
Okay.
You just click on Control F,
Control
Control F, search,
F.
Control F, Control F.
Control F.
Type whatever backlog. Just type backlog. It will highlight automatically. Yeah.
Oh, okay, fine.
So likewise, you can type whatever you want.
Okay.
Can you minimize these zoom apps? It's getting some disturbance. I could not able to see the. Close it or else close it. Now come to the rose board. Wait. Come to the rose board. You just click on you may don't remember. So take the second option. Take the second option. You just read it from now
Hello, one
onward. If
every
you
visit.
yeah, allow every visit. Yeah. Okay. Now you click on this cross button, into button, the left hand side there. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now go click on the backlog.
Okay.
Mm. So here you can see rows sprint one, right?
Yeah. Add it.
Can you already your cursor there at one place? Okay.
Mm.
So can you type sign up?
Here or here?
Yeah, here there only.
Searcher.
No. Describe what you want to be done.
Okay, okay.
Sign up.
Sign up.
Okay. Enter. Click on enter. Yeah. So now automatically it will create one.
Okay,
Rows one is the sign up.
yes.
Can you click on the drop down beside your cursor and let's see what are there.
Crap down.
No. Your cursor is there, na? Beside your
Mm.
cursor, there is a drop down, down arrow button.
Mm.
Where is your cursor?
Wait a minute.
That's one I'm asking. Yeah. Now you can see task, bug. Okay, manage types. Can you click on manage types? Wait, we'll go to the settings. So can you scroll down a bit? Yeah, no problem. You can come back. You can click on arrow, left arrow. You can back button. Yeah, right. So below rows one, there is a create button. Below rows one, yeah. Hmm. Click on that. Hmm. Yeah, stories. Okay, let's take the story itself. Yeah, wait. Just type it. Again, go back. Create. Login. Wait. You no need to do again. Okay, just to explore ourselves. Okay, just
Okay.
type login. Login. Enter.
True.
Enter. No. I'm asking you to press
Just
enter
log in and
button.
enter.
Login and enter. Yeah. OTP. Enter. OTP. Settings. Okay. Menu. Main menu or menu. Okay. Select movie.
Any movie name or I have to type
No. I'm
movie?
just you just type select movie. Enter. Payment page. Okay. Ticket confirmation. Enter. Yeah. So yeah. So now see, these are these are some of the options I have taken with the reference of the Book My Show. Okay. Are you aware of Book My Show website? Have you
Yes.
seen? Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm just referring to that. Okay. I'm
Okay.
not replicating as it is. I'm just taking some references and I'm creating some project. Okay.
Okay.
Who will create all this?
Myself.
Just now. No, yeah.
Okay.
Just now.
Owner. Product owner.
Product owner. Okay. You are a scrum master.
Hmm.
You won't create anything.
Okay.
But you must know how to create.
Okay. I understand.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So he will create. So let's say you can scroll up a bit, scroll down, bit
That's it.
more. No. You can scroll down.
No, I can't.
You just try it. Scroll up then. Scroll up. I want to see ticket one. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Wait. So these are the things given by the product owner. Okay.
Okay.
So you will discuss these tickets with your team.
Okay.
You just get check it. Okay. So this number 1, 2, 3 is there now. In
Yes.
in real time now, they will say that this is as a ticket.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. I got nothing to do. Yeah. So, who created these tickets and given to you? Who
Product owner.
created? Yes. So, product owner has created and showing this information to Scrum Master. Okay, these are the 8 tickets I have in my plate. You just check with the team how many members are there, whether they can
Okay.
complete this in a 2 weeks duration or not.
Okay.
So so it's not a simple thing. You will arrange a call with the team and they will be going to join and they will discuss. They'll ask a lot of questions to the product owner. So if required, you'll invite the product owner. You will write down all the queries which asked by the team, and then you will be going to interact with the product owner. Ask him to come and join the meeting. Then you can take questions on behalf of them, and you can show them. These are the questions which raised by the developers. So you'll ask product owner to give me the clarity how to approach and all.
Hmm.
So the product owner will explain the requirements and he will answer all the queries. Got it?
Yeah.
So once they are very clear about it, um, can you see there is a hyphen? Can you scroll to left to right your cursor? No, no, left to right, slowly. Slow, come. There is a to do. Beside to do, there is a hyphen.
Yes.
You just click on that. So what it is saying, story points,
Yes.
right? You just type it 5,
Fine.
click on enter button. Yeah. So likewise, we will update this. Okay. Take the sign up. Take sign up 8, number 8. Click on that and 8. Login is to enter. Settings 5. Main menu 8. Select movie 1. 1. Payment page 3. Ticket confirmation 1. Okay. I'll tell you this what and all. Okay. Can you scroll up?
Hmm.
So what is there is a number called 33.
33.
You can
Yeah.
see, right?
Hmm.
It means that the entire team has team all together 33 days of work they are doing.
Okay.
Okay. So on an average, for to complete this work, at least 5 resources are required.
Okay.
Sorry, sorry. Yeah. I'll tell you all those concepts later, okay? I just
Okay.
want to make sure you have to understand each and every flow, okay? So that this can be manageable.
Okay.
So you have to be habituated with Jira first.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Then only you can, connect with the team. Until
Mm.
unless you will get lot of questions. Okay, that's why I ask you to create yourself some project and take the project board as a Kanban or something else. Hmm?
Mm.
So that's the reason. Okay. So what you will do, you discuss it with the team and everybody said like it's a three story point. One story point is equal to 1 day of work.
Okay. Yeah.
Now you will start the sprint. Click on that. You can see there is an option called start sprint. If you don't find that, control F and click type start. So don't you should not waste the time, okay? Whenever. Just control F, type start. Where it is.
Start.
Yeah, you can see start where start sprint. Yeah. It's already highlighted na.
This one. Okay, fine. Fine, 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 fine. Yeah.
So whenever you are going to start the sprint, so the duration. Yeah. Click on the duration button. 2 weeks. Can you take yesterday's date? Start date is yesterday date 29. Usually sprint will start on Wednesday. Okay. So
Okay.
automatically end date got freezed on November 12th.
Already here it is.
They freeze right the name
Yeah.
because it's 2 weeks duration. You can
Yeah.
scroll down a bit. So you will type the sprint goal, sign up, login, sign up, next line, login, OTP,
Next line or continuation?
next line. So whatever you type, that should be meaningful, right?
Okay.
Okay. OTP. So this is sprint goal also you will only update OTP settings. Okay, that's enough. Okay, you need to give the high level details. Then click on the start.
Sprint started. We have entered the code to show you.
Got it.
Yeah.
So
Actually, did you
likewise,
spoke anything in this duration?
no, I didn't spoke anything. I'm
Okay
just
then.
observing.
Okay, okay. Actually, I didn't get your voice, so that only I'm just
Yeah, I didn't
confused.
speak anything.
Okay, okay.
I'm just observing. How you are understanding and all. Yeah.
Okay.
So how you are seeing the board, it quite almost quite similar to in the real time
Okay.
real time board. Okay, almost same.
Hmm.
99.9% same. For
Okay.
few companies, they will change some bit of screen settings and all. So for them,
Okay.
maybe bit difference.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how we'll create the backlog. Backlog. Who will create the backlog? Just go back backlog. Nothing will be there because whatever you created, it came. Yeah. In the backlog, it's a sprint one means you
Sprint.
started. This is
Mm.
current sprint. It started
Okay.
on yesterday and it will be going to finish it on 12th. There are
Yeah.
8 work items.
Yes.
Can you scroll down? Backlog. You can see the backlog, right?
Yes.
Mm. So, whenever you are going to start work, again, backlog will be created by the product owner. For the next
Okay.
sprint, he will work on.
Okay.
Okay, so within a week, he will prepare everything and for your things. Got it, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, so now you have seen active calendar and you have seen these all things, right?
Mm.
Okay. So now we'll do one thing. Can you open new tab again? Let's keep this as it is. Click on new tab. You on the URL part. Yeah. You can in the Gmail you can see 9 dots. Wait a minute. I didn't say anything. Just listen. You can see 9 dots in the right hand side.
Yes.
Okay, click on that. Oh, okay, can you scroll down a bit? Yeah, bit. Take the docs. DOCS docs. Click on that. Take the blank document. Blank document. So untitled name is there, na? Untitled name on the left hand side corner. Untitled name.
Untitled document.
Document, yeah. Select there.
Okay.
Okay, you just give the name like Scrum Notes. Control D. Enter. You just enter this. Control D. Save it. Done. Click on done. Hmm. Now, you just click on enter button once. See, from today onwards, whatever we are going to discuss, you will type here high level synopsis. Okay.
Okay.
So now today we are going to discuss about few things. Waterfall. Wait a minute. Let me take over the screen. Just let me know whenever you are able to see my screen.
Okay.
Okay. You are able to see, right? I think so. Started.
No.
Now you see there is a white. So I'm typing something. Are you able to see that?
No.
Okay.
I'm unable to
Let
see
me.
anything here. Just it's my screen only.
I think now you can able to see my screen. White screen. I'm typing something. You can see.
No,
No, no, right?
no,
Or
no,
saying yes.
no, no.
Okay, you can stop sharing. 1 second.
Okay.
Now, are you able to see any screen?
No.
There is an option called stop share. Can you click
Ah, I
on?
just, yeah, I did that.
Okay. Are you able to see my screen? White screen is there.
Nothing.
Oh, strange. Share screen. Entire screen. I think you have to tab. We minimized, right? We have to go and see that minimize. There is a bottom. You can see zoom option, right? You just go and check it once. I'm just typing.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so if you remember the initial days, I discussed a few things. Okay. In the demo class, I just want to refresh it. Okay, because these are
Okay.
very important. So if somebody will come and ask you,
Hmm.
okay, what is Scrum? Because so for example, let's take a scenario. You're learning Scrum Master, right? So
Okay.
some of your friends come and ask you, hey, Madhurima, could you please tell me what is this Scrum? So what you do? Okay. So you have to speak, right? At least
Yes,
in a
yes.
week, at least you have to speak the minimal things. If you are not able to speak, then you will lose confidence day by day. Okay. So let's discuss very basic things from the Scrum. Okay.
Okay.
So first I want to take it from SDLC. So SDLC means software.
Software development
Yep. Life cycle.
cycle.
I told something RADDTP. Okay. Requirements gathering,
Yeah.
analysis, design,
Develop,
development,
testing,
yes, testing, and
deployment,
deployment.
deployment.
Okay. So this entire phase we'll call it as a SDLC phase.
Hmm.
Okay. So now let's say, so this being okay, since as per my knowledge, okay, software industry got rooms from 90s. Okay.
Hmm.
So a few of my, my mother's cousins, they used to do some MCA and they used to go, they speak about some big companies and they are discussing about software. So, I used to listen them like what they are saying and so when was even not in the schoolings, but I used to listen them what they are speaking, what they are doing. I don't know what they are doing and they keep on saying as from my mom as well. Software, he's software engineer. Okay, something
Hmm.
like that. So, as per my knowledge, I heard from somewhere around 2000, not early 2000, somewhere like 2009, 10. At that time, people used to very interested in creating the email IDs with Yahoo. Okay, I used to
Mm.
heard from my friends that do you have Gmail ID, email IDs? There are a lot of new terminology I used to
Yeah.
in the schoolings. Okay, they used to ask me a lot of I'm absolutely no clue what they are talking under. Okay,
Mm.
so what they do at that time, what happened later on. Okay,
Mm.
so I don't know about others. Okay, for me, if somebody asks you the technology evolution, I can say the great technology evolution happened from 2003. Why? Because
Three.
now, sorry, 2013. Because mobile data came with lesser cost.
Mm.
Okay, and internet also is to available for many of us.
Mm.
Okay, people started downloading apps in the mobiles. Did you remember 10 years ago? So if you want to, as I heard, if you want to do some research, they used to give us some paper. We have to
Mm.
scratch that paper and type
Yes,
that
yes, yes. Yeah.
number. Later, slowly apps came, Paytm. So we can
Mm.
do recharges through Paytm.
Yes.
So slowly, technology getting in a U-turn. So actually, it
Mm.
is going in some vertical direction. Suddenly, this internet become very cheap and everyone is able to use it. There are lot many things are happening. So then it was like a big boom in the IT industry. There are people who started using the mobiles frequently. So have you ever thought in childhood uh, saying that we will be going to send money in the within the like GPay, phone pay. We never thought
Mm.
about it, right, in the schoolings. So
Yeah,
if
yeah, yeah.
somebody asks you send money, you
Money
will
order.
need money order, or you have to go and deposit that money in their account,
Yes.
get it the slip. Okay, and then you started entering the manually with the passbook. There are very big process, right? This is a
Yes.
very big process.
Yeah.
And if you go to the banks, there is a huge rush as well at that time.
Mm.
Mm. So whenever the mobile internet become very cheap, so people started using the apps and everyone wants immediately.
Mm.
Even if you remember, after this internet become very cheap, uh, we are booking the bus tickets from the mobile, booking the flight
Mm.
tickets, booking the train tickets, and booking the movie tickets on the spot. If you want to watch it, you can just click and download some apps like Book My Show or some of the app, and you go and check the details, and you can book the tickets from your place. Okay, whenever wherever you want, you can book it, right? So
Yes.
likewise, the technology become you know very friendly, and people started using the apps. Then there is a new methodology trend.
Mm.
Okay, that is agile methodology. Okay,
Okay.
so now you might get some questions like, so you can ask me some questions like, Hari, what is this SDLC? And you are speaking about agile in 2013. Then why agile came? What is there in the previous technology? I mean, previously, what kind of methodology that they used? Okay, you
Mm.
can you may get such kind of questions. Okay, earlier in 2019, 2000, there are different methodologies like V model. Okay,
Mm.
waterfall model. So these are the famous, and waterfall is the very famous. People used to follow this
Hmm.
very, very frequently. If somebody come and ask you what kind of the methodology that you going to use, so people used to say very simply this one, waterfall.
Waterfall.
Okay. In 2013, then people started using Agile. Slowly, they started implementing in their models. Why Agile? Why waterfall? Failed. I can't say failed. People started using Agile, then waterfall from 2013. Okay, now it almost 95% of projects in Agile only.
Hmm.
Now let me tell. So this entire SDLC process, okay, this deployment means public available to the public live.
Hmm. Hmm.
This will happen at the end of the project.
Yes.
Okay, this is waterfall.
Okay.
Okay, this deployment will happen every 2 weeks. This is Agile. Got it right?
Hmm.
What
Yes. Yes.
this entire flows will repeat in two weeks.
Hmm.
Okay, so what will happen if let's say, let me give an example. Okay, so you joined your son or daughter in a school. Okay, so there is only final exam. There is no mid exams. There is no unit tests. Some test will be there now.
Hmm.
Assessments, yeah, monthly
Yes.
assessment. There is nothing is there. Directly they are doing in the final, and people are not aware of how to handle all topics at one single time. Like all things they have to remember and write it right. So they could
Yes.
not able to do it properly because that is the first and last exam that they are going to write it in every year.
Exactly.
Then people will be like, there is a error rate high, right?
Yes.
If they do some assessments for every 2 weeks, then they will feel free. Okay, 2 weeks
Hmm.
of topics, so they will remember easily and they can do their best, and they will be habituated with this flow. They will be very interested in writing.
Hmm.
That is also there, na?
Yes. Yes.
Mm. So the same pattern was there in Agile as well. They want to deploy whatever, okay, whatever they have, they can write it. Hello,
Ah,
am I
hello.
audible?
Yeah, yeah. In some points, your voice is
Okay.
not able to hear.
So what I'm
Some.
trying to say now, so whatever the piece of code that you are going to available to the public, then we can find our mistakes early. We can do the betterment of the app. Hello, hello, Madhurima, are you there?
Hello. Yeah, yeah.
Hel- So are you able to hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay. So if something happening every 2 weeks, okay,
Okay.
then you will be able to do the things properly, right? See, for example,
Hmm.
let's say, let me give an example. I'm building an app, okay? So I said the same flows,
Okay.
okay? Same flows that you write, okay? Sign up. I said to
Hmm.
the developer first sign up, then login, okay? Then settings, then
Okay.
payment space, something. I'm just building a app kind of GPay, okay? Enter the
Hmm.
money and send the money. Send money.
Okay.
Send money.
Hmm.
Okay. I said to my development team, buddy, these are my features. Can you deploy it? Okay. So
Hmm.
first 2 weeks, they
Okay.
designed 2 weeks, first 2 weeks, okay. They designed sign up,
Hmm.
sign up and login. Two features they designed. Okay. So within that
Okay.
duration, I'm the product owner. I got some new ideas. Hey, somewhere I have
Hmm.
seen instead of doing sign up is a very big process, taking a lot of information. First name, last name, middle name,
Hmm.
date of birth, gender. You are
Yes.
uploading the details of Aadhaar, PAN. Okay, if somebody doesn't have any kind of the ID, they will be hold right.
Hmm.
I don't want to wait them. Okay, you just keep this flow as it is, and you add a other flow in the second week. So
Okay.
this I'm saying second sprint means third week to fourth week in the duration.
So, hmm.
Okay, I'm saying that directly. Okay, log in
Hmm.
with OTP. You just enter your mobile number and enter the OTP. You just log in.
Hmm.
Then automatically, as a customer, I'll get contacts from the client. I mean, from the customer,
Hmm.
right? So whenever, for example, if you go and see Book My Show, if there is an option called login with OTP, they won't ask you any
Yes.
data.
Yes. Yes.
Directly you will enter. It's a user friendly.
Hmm.
Then immediately, whenever you before na, when I remember in the Corona times, you have to enter username and password. I'm very bad at memory. I used to forget the password, and I don't know, again, resetting the password, it is taking time, and that password also not going to work. I was, like I used to delete it, delete the app and
Hmm.
install another app.
Hmm.
So later they came up with, I think somebody has given the feedback, something like that, I think so. Okay, they came up with login with OTP.
Hmm.
Now, yeah, my problem got solved. I don't remember. I don't want to remember Book My Show password because I don't want to enter any of my financial details, right? I just want to
Yes.
go, I just want to give my mobile number. That's it. Because I need to get the WhatsApp,
Yeah.
this booking rate.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, so that I'll ask them to do it. So in the second sprint, they are doing login with OTP. What is happening here? Whenever you are planning to work on with some latest things, okay, you got a no
Hmm.
idea and you are implementing immediately. That is
Hmm.
that is possible with Agile. That is not possible with Waterfall
Okay.
because Waterfall you do that implement at end of. Got it right?
Yes.
So this is the beauty of Agile. So that's why people want, for example, if I delay some option to deploy it, some new competitor will come and they will acquire the business, right?
Hmm.
Market and all.
Hmm. Hmm.
So initially, if you saw Paytm is the only superpower in all the things. Now phone pay came,
Hmm.
okay, and
Yeah.
there are many people are in the payment industry. There are lot many apps are there.
Hmm.
So if you delay a small process, okay, your business will go.
Okay.
So that's why we are using Agile. So we will fix it immediately within 2 weeks.
Okay.
In some emergency case, we will do it the same day as well. That is different. I'll tell you later.
Hmm.
You got my point, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I'll share these notes. Okay. You just update in
Hmm.
your sheet. Okay. I need
Okay.
to take a call actually. So
Okay. Okay.
they are waiting. I'm pasting in the WhatsApp. Okay. You just keep it yourself, and you can now, if you get that time, you sit and do some explore. What is the difference between the waterfall and the Zen?
Hmm.
in ChatGPT. So it will say something. If you don't understand something, then we will have the discussion tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Maybe by midnight, okay, or end of the day, I'll upload yesterday's and I mean last session and the today's session together.
Okay, okay. If you
Okay.
could arrange means I can practice.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. We'll do it. Don't worry.
Okay.
I have a meeting. I need to finish up, and after that, I'll upload.
Okay, Ganesh.
Okay. Hope you understood the soul of Agile. Why? If somebody someone asks you, you can explain them, right?
Yes, yes.
So that is what we require. I mean, the basics you must understand, and you should be able to explain to the your friends if somebody asks you. Slowly, that is the kind of the preparation for the interview.
Okay.
Okay, interview is nothing, right? So you have answered the questions.
Yes, of
So
course.
that we will start with our friends. We will go and explain our concepts to friends. So this is what we
Yeah.
are learning. So slowly you will get the confidence. Mm.
Yeah.
So that's the way we will go. Okay. Yeah, I'll catch you
Okay.
in some time. Okay, I'll
Okay.
upload and
Okay.
I'll update you. Yeah, thank you, Madhurima,
Okay.
for your time. Have a good
Yeah.
day. Yeah,
Thank you. You too.
thank you.